Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A21s and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's move to more advanced options now. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner. And it opens as the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features. As you can see here, we have the location tags option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works here. And also the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me keep turned on all of these parameters, and let's go back to the camera to take a picture to show you how to check the location info. Now let's move here to the left corner. When we tap on this we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our picture, and to check the location we just have to simply slide up a little bit. And as you can see here, we have the location with map and the full address. So greetings from Krakow, Poland. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.